and a very warm welcome once again to Metro Heights. I'm your host Athar. कैसे हैं आप लोग सब viewers? Well viewers, आज हमें Seher Enterprises में brand Seherish, which is a full-fledged showroom in Karol Bagh, New Delhi, and which is headed by Dipti ji. Of course, we have Dipti ji with us. I think old subscribers are well aware of this face, but those who have joined us recently, let me brief you about this store. Okay, this store is based out in Karol Bagh, and it's very close to PP Jewelers. If you want to pay a visit, you can certainly do it. Do so. The visiting hours are from morning 11 to 7 p.m. and Mondays
Mondays
are off. Okay, and if you are not able to come and visit the store, you can shop online from any corner of the world, and that's our main objective of hosting YouTube videos. Basically, today's episode is all about sale, sale, sale. Okay, it's mega or whatever I can say. I can use different adjectives. It's mega lootlo sale, maha sale, monsoon sale. It's a stock clearance sale episode. The articles are going to be available at throwaway prices, prices that were never before at Seher Enterprises. So please reap the benefit of this particular sale. Buy as many articles as you can. Okay. And let me tell you that there is no question of wholesale or retail buying as such.
No, we are
So
doing retail wholesale
are you
price. Yes,
doing
yes. There
still
are
doing?
special prices,
Okay,
discounted
okay.
prices for wholesale also.
All right. So the prices that are going to be announced in today's video are going to be retail prices, which means single piece price. For wholesale, you can inquire on one-on-one basis. There is a chance that you can get further discounts and you can buy in bulk for your store. Okay, and reap the benefit, viewers. No refund, no exchange policy unless and until we notice a manufacturing defect for which a parcel opening video is mandatory.
Absolutely.
Okay, deliveries across the globe, no COD, online payments are only permitted. So I am done with almost all the points. So without any further delay, we get started. I give control to Deepti ji.
Hi.
Over to you.
Hello, everyone.
Hi.
So it's like Sir said, it's sale, sale, sale.
Hmm.
All kinds of sales.
Yeah.
So we'll start quickly and we'll start with kurtis.
Yeah.
So all the kurtis, Atharji and the viewers, it's for 499. Flat
499.
rate.
Kurtis,
retail,
na? Single, one piece.
Single kurtis, yes,
Okay.
yes, one piece. So it is for 499 flat price. मैं पीसेस दिखाती जाऊंगी, एक्सप्लेन करती जाऊंगी, साइज अवेलेबिलिटी बताती जाऊंगी कि कौन कौन साइजेस कौन से साइजेस में अवेलेबल हैं, एंड देन वील प्रोसीड फॉर 2 pieces, 3 pieces and everything. So let's start with kurtis.
All right.
So this is the first piece, short kurti, pure cotton, Jaipuri print with slight sequins and zari work. जो इसके अंदर sizes available हैं वो खाली 36.
36. Huh?
Yes, only 36 size.
All right.
Then there is another Jaipuri print kurti, black color, wooden buttons detailing.
Pintuck detailing
Yes,
as well.
and pintuck detailing as well. इसके अंदर जो sizes available हैं वो हैं 36, 44 and 46.
All right. One moment. Huh?
Next kurti, green color, bottle green color, and it has Pintex detailing, cuff sleeves with fancy buttons and sequins on the yoke and gathers around the waist. The size available is only 40 in this. Then linen with slight thread work.
Yeah, cotton flex. Yeah.
Yeah. And the sizes available are only 44
All right.
in this. Pure cotton, wooden button detailing, and the sizes are available only 36.
36.
Yes. Again, cotton flex. Fabric, black color.
Okay.
Short kurti again, 38 size only.
ठीक है.
Next, same thing in a different color, maroon color, and the size available only 44.
Only 44.
44. Now this is a top kind of a kurti. Frills on the neck with tassels detailing, gathers on the top, and gathers and smoking on the sleeves.
Smoking, yeah.
Yeah. So the sizes available in this are 36 to 46.
All right.
Yeah, there's another color in this, black. Pure cotton, all these are pure cotton.
Pure cotton.
Yeah, 36 to 44 available in this as
All
well.
right. So 499 flat.
499 flat, yes. Then A-line kurti, pure cotton.
Yeah, long tunic.
Long. And it has wooden button detailing, roll-up
Are the
sleeves.
buttons openable or only the
No,
top button is openable?
only the top ones.
Only the top
It's
one.
stitched from
All right,
here
all
on.
right.
Yeah. So the sizes available in this specific piece are 38, 44 and 46.
All right.
Yeah. Cotton flex, black color. Same concept, A-line kurti with button detailing. The sizes available in this are 38 and 40.
Mm-hmm.
There is another color in this, maroon.
Mm-hmm.
The sizes available in this are 38 and 40 again.
ठीक है.
Another pink,
Mm-hmm.
wooden button detailing, same thing, sleeves concept. Sizes available only 46.
All right.
Another color in this, blue.
Hmm.
Sizes available only 46.
Only 46.
Yeah. Then there is gray, same thing, different color. Again, sizes available 44 and 46.
ठीक है. ये साइड में रखना.
Premium rayon, turquoise blue color. There are 3 colors in this. There is full embroidery on the neck.
False mirror detailing.
Yeah, false mirror detailing and zari work. The sizes available in this specific piece are 38 and 44.
38 and 44. All right.
Another different color, same concept. Sizes available 38 and 44.
Mm-hmm.
Light pista green color.
Mm-hmm.
Sizes available in this also 38 and 44.
All right.
Ikat weave, black color
Mm-hmm.
with tassel detailing, straight kurti.
Mm-hmm.
Sizes available in this are 36, 38, 42 and 44. So basically 36 to 44.
All right.
Yeah. Another color in this, blue color.
Mm-hmm.
Again, sizes available 36 to, no, the sizes available are 36, 38, 42, 44, yes.
All right.
36 to 44.
All right.
Red color,
Mm-hmm.
same concept. Sizes available only 36, 38 and 44.
All right.
Pure cotton kurti,
Mm-hmm.
Jaipuri print, wooden buttons detailing.
Mm-hmm.
Sizes which are available are 36, 42 and 44.
All right.
Different print, same concept, peach color, wooden buttons.
Mm-hmm.
42, 44 and 46.
All right.
Third piece, sizes available are 44 and 46 only.
Hmm.
Another piece, purple color, sizes available 44 only.
All right.
Then there's red, bandhani print, roll up sleeves concept, straight suit, straight shirt.
Okay.
Sizes available are only 42.
Only 42.
Yep.
Okay.
Then there's peach color. Sizes available in this are 40, 42 and 44.
All right.
Then we have black in this.
Okay.
Sizes available in this one are 40 and 44 only.
40 and 44 only.
Only.
All right. ये साइड में रखना ये वाला.
Leheria print, blue color with gota detailing and tassels. The sizes available are only 40.
40.
There's gota detailing on the sleeves, on the slits as well.
Hmm. All right.
Premium rayon, jacket style
Mm-hmm.
with embroidery all over. Sizes available in this are 46 to 52. This is a plus size product.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Red color in the same thing.
Mm-hmm. Border sequence all over.
All over, yes. Sizes available again 48 to 52. Plus sizes only.
In rayon.
In rayon, premium rayon. It's very soft fabric.
Okay.
Then there's Jaipuri print with gota on the yoke.
Mm-hmm.
Yellow and orange combination. Sizes available only 40.
Only 40.
Yep.
Okay.
Now we have muslin kurtis.
Mm-hmm.
Sizes available in this one is 38 and 40.
Hmm.
It's beautiful grey color with slight foil printing. Very
Foil
slight, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
There's black. Again, muslin fabric with
This
slight
is beautiful
sequins.
kurti.
Yeah.
Beautiful kurti.
Yeah.
Patola print.
Patola print,
On
yes.
the hem.
Yeah. Sizes available 38 and 44.
38 and 44.
44.
All right. Either side. Hmm.
Then this, again, muslin fabric, mustard color. Sizes available only 46.
Okay.
Muslin kurti again, maroon color. Sizes available 44 and 46 only.
Mm-hmm.
Then we have yellow color
Okay.
with heavy embroidery on the neck, foil printing on the shirt. Sizes available are only 36.
Yeah, this is capsule cotton.
Oh, this is also muslin fabric. again.
It has a mask also.
Yeah.
That kurti. All right.
Yeah. Another kurti, muslin fabric again. Sizes available are 44 and 46
With foil work.
with foil work. Yeah. Black cotton kurti with
Hearts.
yeah,
Motif.
motifs, and it has
Gota trims.
gota trims and gota on the sleeves as well. Sizes that are available are only 40.
All right.
Jaipuri print, flowers, embroidered border on the neck, and kurta patti. Sizes available 38 and 40.
All right.
Wooden button detailing, pink color, and the sizes available are 36 and 44.
All right.
Green color, embroidery on the neck, pure
Olive
cotton.
green,
Yeah, pure cotton. Sizes available are only 38.
38.
38 only.
Okay.
Then there's black
Rayon.
rayon. Yes, neck has
This kind of
patchwork.
with
Yes,
real false mirror
false
detailing.
mirror detailing and sequins, and the sizes available are only 38.
38.
Yeah.
Okay.
There's another color in this, mustard color. The sizes available in this are 42, 44 and 46
In rayon.
in rayon. Yes.
Next.
Yeah, we'll start with few of the dresses, kaftans and two pieces. Now, all this are 799.
799.
Flat price. I'll just tell you the details of the fabric and everything, and then we'll tell the sizes. Price is 799.
Okay.
Yeah.
By anyone, 799 two-piece
Exactly.
suits.
Yeah. Single and two piece all.
This is a very nice tunic, long tunic
Yes.
with belt. Huh?
With belt, yes.
Very
And it has
beautiful.
embroidery on the yoke. It has elastic,
Elastic.
Yeah. and there's
Belt
a
to
belt.
tie.
Belt to
Okay.
tie, yeah. It is stitched.
Yeah.
First button is like that, then
So
it is
all
stitched.
embroidery, self,
Yeah.
inbuilt in the fabric.
Yep. And the sizes available in this are, this is only 40 size available.
40 size.
Yeah.
All right.
Another piece. Similar thing. There's just slight difference that it has lace work done, and it has again elastic on
Smocking,
the
yeah,
kind of a thing done on the sleeves, on the waist, and then the sleeves also have lace pattern.
Okay.
Yep. The sizes available in this are 38, 40 and 44.
All right.
38, 40 and 44. It's a
Okay.
beautiful peach and off-white combination. There's another tunic,
Yeah, in orib cut.
yeah,
Very nice.
with embroidery on the neck, yoke, and contrast of beadwork, orange beadwork. The sizes available in this are 40 and 46 only.
40 and
46 only.
All right.
Yeah.
Inside. Kaftan.
Kaftan,
Now
Rayon.
this kaftan comes in rayon fabric.
rayon fabric, yes. Yoke has embroidery, and there's belt in the
Inside,
middle,
adjustable belt.
adjustable belt.
And with
Yep.
crochet laces detailing.
This on this
on the
the sides with gota.
Goda. Okay.
Yep. Sizes available in this are 38 and 40 only.
All right.
Another kaftan only, blue color, motif in middle, neck has embroidered border, and sides have embroidery. The sizes available in this are, this is only 40.
Only 40.
Yep.
Okay.
Tomato red color, embroidery on the neck, drawstring,
print, yeah.
drawstring, lace on the neck.
The embroidery is beautifully done. Huh? It's a
Yeah.
combination of real mirror, moti, thread, and sequins.
Sequence.
Beautiful.
Then we have lace on the sides and on the bottom also.
All right.
Tassels detailing. Sizes available in this is only 44.
44.
This is leisure, comfort, homeware
Comfort
types.
homeware. Yeah.
Then there is another
Color
piece.
is very nice. Huh? Orange
Yeah.
color.
Yeah.
Okay.
This is again, this is short kaftan.
It's a quad set.
Quad set,
Coordinated
yes.
set. Yes.
So it's again
Drawstrings,
homeware.
yeah.
Yeah, it is again homeware, nightwear, however you want to say it. Are 40, 42 and 44.
All right.
Yeah. There's another color in this, purple.
Okay.
This pajama,
Again the nightwear.
it's a nightwear, yeah. Homeware, nightwear, it's basically comfort wear. Again, sizes in this are 40, 42 and 44.
Yes. Okay, once again,
Muslin.
muslin, semi-muslin, and it has this glitter work all over with
Yeah,
bandage
foil
print.
printing. Yeah,
Foil printing, and this
and
thing.
has embroidery on the neck, drawstring with tassels, gota on the side, and it has plain pants with it. The sizes available in this are 38, 44, and 46. It's a nice party wear, slight occasion wear kaftan. This is pure cotton, bandhani print, all gota work on the neck, tassel detailing on the neck, crochet lace on the side with gota detailing. And this comes with white pants. And the sizes available in this are 38 and 40. And there's another color, hot pink.
Good.
Sizes available are 44 only
All
in
right.
this. Two-piece suit.
Okay. Now this is like cotton silk fabric, and it has inbuilt lurex.
Lurex, yes. There's embroidery on the neck. There's
False mirror.
yeah, with false mirror and
Okay,
everything.
this is a different pattern
This is
altogether.
yes, it's
This is like a flap pattern.
yeah,
है ना?
yeah. It's an
Angrakha.
overlap kind of a thing. Angrakha,
overlap,
yeah.
yeah.
And it has
The dory also.
dories
to
and
tie.
everything. It comes with pants, cotton pants with
This
a frill.
ruffles.
Yeah. Sizes available in this are 42 and 44 only.
Yeah.
It's a very smart concept. It has frill
Ruffles,
drilling on the sleeves also. Peach color thread embroidery on the on the shirt and tassel detailing. On pants, contrast pants with border setting. Sizes available in this are 40, 42 and 44. And there's red color, Pintex fabric with gota detailing and printed cotton pants. And sizes available in this are 42 only.
42 only.
It has wooden button detailing. It's a nice piece.
All right.
Cord set, premium rayon, embroidery on the neck, embroidery concept on the from shoulders to the sleeves. Then on the slit also, it comes with pants, which has again embroidery on the sides. Sizes available 44 only.
All right.
Yeah. Muslin fabric, frill on the neck, organza setting and balloon sleeves.
With organza patching in between.
Yeah, in between. Yeah. And the pants also has the same organza patch. Sizes available 38 to 46.
All right.
Black with white contrast embroidery, collar neck, crochet lace, buttons.
Cloth buttons.
Yes, and crochet lace on the sleeves, slide bell sleeves, and embroidery on the ghera, and pants with embroidery border and crochet lace. Sizes available in this are 40 and 44.
All right.
Pure cotton print, wooden button detailing, A-line kurta with plazo.
With palazzo pants.
Yeah, plazo pants. Sizes available in this are 42 only. There's
42.
another color, falsa color.
Okay.
In this, sizes available are 38 to 44.
All right.
Yeah. So, another piece is a slight party wear, embroidery. The fabric, if like you can see,
This is like a banana cotton. I guess it's a blended.
Blended
actually,
fabric,
blended
yes.
Imported
Fabric, yeah.
But the fabric is very soft.
Yeah. All hand embroidery of katdana and
moti,
pearl work.
pearl
Yes,
work.
it has pants with it. Sizes available in this are 42 and 44 only. And there's another color in this.
Okay,
wine color. It's a nice, beautiful piece. Sizes available in this are also 38 and 42 only. 38 and 42 only.
All right.
So, like I mentioned in the beginning, in this also, that these all pieces are for $7.99 flat.
So precisely speaking, one piece kurti will be $4.99. Two-piece kurti, the two-piece set will be $7.99, and
Further on,
Further
on,
as and when,
with three pieces
yeah,
and
we
everything.
come across,
Yes, we
yeah.
come across. And the tunics and everything also was for $7.99.
$7.99, yeah.
So again, collar concept with frills and all fancy laces and fancy buttons. Sleeves has the same concept of roll up sleeves. It comes with Afghani salwar with again fancy detailing. Sizes available in this are 38, 42, and 44.
All right.
There's another color in this.
It's pure cotton.
Yeah. Sizes available in this are only 42 in this
Only
color.
42.
Only.
So look at the pants.
Yeah.
This is the pant.
Pant.
It's like semi-Afghani.
Yeah.
Okay. And it has this kind of
Detailing.
detailing. All right.
This is A-line.
Suit,
So-
embroidered. I think,
embroidered.
but the body portion is not embroidered. This is
Yeah,
all
this is
print.
printed. The,
Only the
yoke
yoke portion is
is all
embroidered.
thread embroidery,
Okay.
very subtle and subdued, and it comes with cotton pants. It's A-line suit. It's not. It's just two-piece. It's not
Two-piece,
three-piece. Yeah. The size available is 42 only. Premium rayon. Print with highlighting on the yoke.
The glitter work.
Yeah, with foil printing, and it comes with plazo.
Palazzo pants.
Yeah, printed plazo pants. Sizes available in this is it's only 40.
Only 40.
Only 40. Then there's this printed with V-neck embroidered kardana highlighting,
Nice.
and it has plazo pants again. Sizes available in this are 38 to 44.
All right.
Short anarkali shirt with pearls detailing, gota detailing, sleeves with
Shifli
shifli
work.
on the pants.
Yeah.
It's a nice piece. It has
Gota
all
trims on the
kalis. Yeah,
neckline,
it all
moti
kalis,
work.
moti
Yeah.
work. Sizes available 38 and 44 only. It's a beautiful piece. It's
Yeah.
my personal favorite.
Yeah. Color is very nice.
Yeah.
Carrot red.
Yeah.
Now this is very beautiful piece. Seriously.
Yeah. It's a very
Stunning.
nice
Stunning
cotton.
article.
All front open style.
Pure cotton
Pure
and glitter
cotton.
work all over.
Yeah.
Lush. I mean,
And
very
this
light
has
glitter work.
very subtle
Certainly.
with buttons, and sleeve has border, cotton pants.
Cups, yeah.
Yep. And the size available in this is only 40.
Could you please
Only
pull out the
42.
pants?
42.
Yeah. Look, I mean, we can show it from here. The pant fitting
Here,
is
I'll just take it.
like this. Leheria pants.
Leheria pants,
It's like
yes.
slim fit pant
Yeah, with pockets.
with pockets and darts.
Yeah.
Of course. All right.
Three-piece suits.
Three-piece suits. और पता है viewers, three-piece suits, top, bottom, dupatta, only for 999. 999.
999.
ठीक है.
Let's start. Embroidered front and back, heavy embroidery thread वाली ये उसके घेरे पर भी, and these are the pants with embroidered, and इसके साथ pure cotton का दुपट्टा with
Okay.
border and slight tassels on the sides.
Side tassels. Okay.
Yeah. Sizes available in this is only 38.
38 ना?
38 only.
ठीक है.
Pure cotton again. Embroidery, gota work on the neck and button detailing. Sleeves have slight embroidery border. Pure cotton pants and pure cotton dupatta. Sizes available in this are 36 and 38 only.
36 and 38.
38 only.
So we have small size as well.
Yes, we have small size as well.
ठीक है.
It's muslin fabric, embroidery on the neck, slight
Foil work
foil
all
work.
over the body part.
Yeah.
And gota patti detailing on the
And
necktie.
muslin pants again, chiffon dupatta, self with
This thing
gota
is, yeah, what do you say?
all over. Sizes available in this only 38.
Dobby.
Muslin again, slight embroidery on the neck, very subtle sequence with thread work, printed pants, printed dupatta with gota on all sides. Sizes available in this are only 36.
36. All right.
Embroidery
mirror.
on the neck, yes, false mirror with thread work and button detailing, and it has pants with it. With pants also has embroidered border, similar border on the sleeves, side tassels. Very nice pink color, cotton dupatta. Sizes available only 38.
Only 38. All right.
Pure cotton again, flower print, thread work, fancy buttons,
Mm-hmm.
pure cotton pants,
Mm-hmm.
gota on the sides and on the ghera.
Mm-hmm.
Sleeves also has cuff and with gota detailing. Chiffon dupatta,
All right.
printed chiffon dupatta with gota on all four sides. Sizes available in this are 36 and 38.
36 and 38.
38.
Okay.
This is premium rayon,
Mm-hmm.
foil printing, heavy embroidery on the neck, on the sleeves, on the pants, on the ghera, and dupatta. Printed again with gota work on all four sides.
Mm.
Sizes available in this are 36 only.
36 only.
Yep.
All right.
Muslin work, muslin the fabric again,
Mm-hmm.
gota work on the neck
Mm-hmm.
with buttons, muslin pants with this,
Mm-hmm.
and full muslin dupatta.
Mm.
Sizes available in this are 38 only.
All right. Again,
Again, muslin,
semi-muslin. Yeah.
yeah, with all embroidery on the neck,
Foil
coated foil work, dupatta, chiffon, muslin pants.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Here, muslin pants.
Okay.
Sizes available double XL and 38, 44 and 38 only.
All right.
This is A line
This is Naira style. Na?
style.
Slits are
Yes,
open. I
slits
believe.
are open. Yeah,
Okay.
slits
So
are
slits are open.
Embroidery kardana on the neck.
Yes.
And sleeves,
Full sleeves.
full sleeves with border detailing and lace
Pure
detailing,
cotton fabric.
pure cotton fabric. Pants,
Nice.
printed pants,
Nice.
and full
Dupatta.
dupatta. Sizes available in this 38 only.
Yeah, side में.
Again, cotton,
Mm-hmm.
pink color,
Mm-hmm.
all lace work on the yoke.
Mm-hmm. Golden
and
color gota work.
golden color gota on the kalis and on the ghera.
Mm-hmm.
Sleeves also have similar lace and gota work. Pure cotton dupatta, pure cotton pants. Sizes available 38 and 44 only. The prices, like we discussed, 999.
999.
Muslin again, heavy embroidery on the neck, on the sleeves, gota work on the ghera, muslin pants, chiffon dupatta. Sizes available only 38. Muslin with all foil printing. Neck has gota and fancy buttons.
Nice fabric.
Yeah. And
So it's a party wear suit.
party wear
viewers.
suit, yes.
Beautiful.
Muslin pants again with the border setting.
Border settings.
Yeah. Lining वाला सूट है ये.
Yes.
इसके साथ मसलिन के ही दुपट्टा है.
पैंट का टॉप का फैब्रिक बहुत अच्छा है व्यूअर्स और दुपट्टा भी बहुत अच्छा है फ्लैट चिनॉन में है विद गोटा ट्रिम डिटेलिंग
Yes.
सो बेसिकली इट्स ऑल गोटा डिटेल्ड सूट
Suit.
एक्चुअली
38 and 40 size.
38 and 40 rust color trending color flavor of the season all right
Pure cotton, Jaipuri
cotton.
print.
paisley concept
ये paisley concept. It has all false mirror
detailing.
and gota detailing. And slits and ghera, they have
laces.
Sleeves has border and laces.
ठीक है.
Cotton pants, cotton dupatta. Sizes available 38 and 40 only.
all right
Pure cotton suit.
pure cotton suits okay keep it here
Yeah.
beautiful the print is very
Onion-
beautiful
onion
Bandesh print viewers color
Yes,
is also
so
very
very
nice
nice,
salmon light salmon pink color
Yeah.
with false mirror detailing and the
And
neckline
thread
is
work.
of a different type
Thread,
altogether.
yes, yeah. And it has cotton pants, cotton dupatta. Sizes available in this are 38, 40 and 42.
38, 40 and 42. Okay. The price is 999 only.
V-neck, cotton pants, pure cotton again, cotton full dupatta. दुपट्टे की शर्ट बन जाए इतना बड़ा दुपट्टा. Sizes available in this are 38 only. Yeah, sorry, once again. It's 36 and 42 only.
36 and
42.
Okay.
Another.
This is the one which
I am
Deepti
wearing.
ji is also wearing the same dress. Very nice color.
Yeah, very nice.
Sea green color. Very nice.
With bluish tinge, yeah. Thread. It's a very subtle work on the neck, and the fabric I'm wearing it. It's very comfortable.
Super comfortable. Great. Huh?
And
So this is
printed
the pant.
pants, and this has full dupatta.
Very nice.
Sizes available in this are 36 to 44.
Wait. So we have a different color as well.
In this,
In this,
yes.
this is mehndi green color with same motifs
Yep, same concept,
and
everything
print.
same. Yes, the cotton dupatta. Sizes available in this are 36, 38 to 46.
All right, beautiful. All right.
Yeah. Collared V concept, thread embroidery, pure cotton, cotton pants, cotton dupatta, full dupatta. Sizes
Good.
available in this
Are from
38 to 46.
38 to
46.
46.
Yeah.
All right.
999 only. Premium rayon, heavy embroidery on the neck, on the sleeves, on the ghera, on the slits. Rayon pants with border and embroidery. Chiffon dupatta with again border. Sizes available in this are only 44.
Only 44. So
There's
this is a
another-
rayon based party wear suit.
Yes.
Semi party wear, I can say.
And there's another color
So
in this.
within your budget.
Yeah.
And the price once again is 999.
999 only. And this is only in 38 size.
In 38 size. Okay. So next is a very beautiful dress in
Blue
I
color.
think cotton
Silk.
silk.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's cotton silk viewers.
Embroidery, subtle embroidery, golden
embroidery.
zari embroidery. Then it has booties
Uh-huh.
all over, and it has pants, and it has
This kind of dupatta.
organza dupatta
Organza dupatta with
With
this
embroidery.
kind of embroidery.
on both sides. Yeah. Sizes available in this is only 38.
Only 38. All right.
999 only. Another color in this, wine color.
Wine color. Good. Organza dupatta.
Organza dupatta. Sizes available in this 38 and 46.
38 and 46. ठीक है.
Digital printed dupatta suit.
This is
flower-
very good. This is muslin.
Muslin
viewers.
fabric.
This is pure muslin.
Yes.
Just keep it this way. This way straight.
Yeah.
This is a very pretty dress. Look at the necktie. Very subtle kind
Subtle
of neck
work,
designing.
yes.
And this has, floral pattern on its hem portion. And even the sleeves have
Sleeves
the same
have
motif.
similar, yes.
So beautiful dress, beautiful color, and this
Pants,
goes
plain
with this kind
pants.
of plain pants. That is slim
And
fit pants.
Yeah.
Stole dupatta
Stole
in
dupatta.
floral, and the fabric would be एक minute, chiffon.
Chiffon only.
Chiffon georgette.
Yeah, chiffon georgette kind of. Only size available 38.
I remember this was
So
a
this
very
is
hit
a
article of its
yes,
time.
yes, 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 yes. It was.
So बेचारा अब
999.
sale नहीं निकल रहा है. I know, 999.
Those who missed it at that time,
Yeah,
now
yeah,
is the
yeah.
time.
Now is the time. Grab it, and if this is the right time to gift these kind of suits to your friends, your relatives, your distant ones, near ones, near and dear ones. Okay,
You can always
ऐसे
keep a
मौके
collection.
रोज रोज ये
नहीं
मौके
आते।
नहीं आते हैं ना. सस्ता सुंदर टिकाऊ है ना, हिंदी में जो देसी भाषा में हम बोलते हैं. ठीक है.
Pure cotton printed suit with kardana and thread work, embroidery on the neck, plain cotton pants, white, off white, and cotton dupatta.
ठीक है.
Stole dupatta.
Stole dupatta.
Yes, only
Very
size
nice.
available 38.
ठीक है.
999.
999. Yeah.
Muslin again, embroidery, kardana, thread work, French knots, as gota
Foil
work,
work.
and gota on the slits on the
Okay.
sleeves.
The salvage portion is completely different. Huh?
Yeah,
It's like the matching of the bottom.
bottom. Yeah, and
Yeah.
these are plazo pants with it.
Palazzo pants. Okay.
Yeah. So only size available is 38 and 44.
So this has motherpearl buttons and fancy buttons.
Buttons, yes, yeah. Stole dupatta.
Stole dupatta with lurex.
Lurex, yeah.
Good. 999 only.
999
Steal deal
only.
offer.
Premium rayon,
Mm-hmm.
printed heavy embroidery on the neck and on this right from the underarm to
Underarm,
the
yeah. So
complete
long slits.
Long slits, yes.
Okay, but the slits are closed, I think.
Yeah, it is
till
from
here.
here. Yeah,
So yeah,
Normal
of course we
slits.
can't have open till. But the designing is
is
this
very
way, yeah.
smart. Yeah. Pants printed chiffon, similar printed dupatta. Only size available 38.
38, and we have two colors.
No,
This is a different
single
pattern.
color. This is a straight suit, pure cotton straight suit, bandhani
Okay.
print, heavy embroidery on the neck.
Mm-hmm.
On the sleeves, there's border embroidery. There's cotton pants and full cotton diameter dupatta.
Dupatta.
Size is available only 38.
Only 38. Okay.
There are many pieces which are, you know, only 38. I get it. And then there are many pieces which are 44 and 46
I know.
also. Yeah. Again, ajrak print kind of a thing.
Hmm.
Pure cotton.
Pure cotton.
Yes. Has slight highlighting of zari work on the yoke
Yes.
part. Pure cotton pants.
Mm-hmm.
Pure cotton dupatta.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Okay.
Size is available in this only 38.
Only 38. Okay. Beautiful color.
Anarkali piece, ajrak print, heavy gota work on the yoke, on the ghera, cotton pants, full cotton dupatta.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Sizes available in this are 36 and 38 only.
36 and 38. All right.
Another anarkali,
Mm-hmm.
pink color, heavy embroidered yoke with false mirror and thread and zari. Gota work, every kali has gota in it. Ghera has gota and border setting.
Mm-hmm.
Cotton pants,
Hmm.
only size available 38. Full
30,
cotton dupatta.
38 ना?
Yep.
ठीक है.
Bandhani print,
Okay. This is like a very nice color.
yeah, orangish yellow color.
Mm-hmm.
Thread embroidery on the yoke with false mirror and sequins. Cotton pants, full cotton dupatta.
Mm-hmm.
Sizes available only 38.
Okay.
Then yellow color,
Mm-hmm.
anarkali,
Mm-hmm.
gota
So
work.
gota work.
Yes, gota work on the sleeves, gota work on the ghera,
Mm-hmm.
cotton pants,
Mm-hmm.
and chiffon dupatta
Okay.
with gota on all four sides.
Mm-hmm.
Only size 38.
All right.
This is another hit piece of mine.
Mm-hmm.
It's very nice cotton.
Mm-hmm.
I still see many people on Insta selling this at great prices.
Yes.
It comes with plazo.
Palazzo pants.
Yep, and full cotton dupatta.
Full cotton dupatta and full sleeves indeed.
Yeah, full sleeves. Yes.
I think I can see
Yeah,
the
with
cuff
full sleeves.
styling
Yes,
is
cuff
very
styling,
nice.
very nice. A very smart piece.
Smart
It's one
piece.
of my favorites.
Yeah.
Size is available only 38.
Only 30?
8.
Oh.
Anarkali, another piece.
Mm-hmm.
Full, quite some ghera in this, and it has
Cloth buttons.
Yep. And lace work on the sleeves, lace work on the ghera, pure cotton pants, white, and pure cotton dupatta.
Dupatta.
Yep, size is available only 38.
Only 38. Okay.
Premium rayon,
Mm-hmm.
highlighting on the neck, Afghani pants, dupatta. Size is available 38 and 46 only.
38 and 46 only. Okay.
Then pure cotton V-neck with collar, cotton pants, and full cotton dupatta.
Dupatta.
Sizes available in this are 38 only.
38 only. Okay.
It's bird print
Yeah.
with lace work.
Sparrows.
Yeah.
So many sparrows, huh? The sparrow will not fly. They will stay with you all forever.
Afghani pants
Afghani pants.
and dupatta again with
Very nice. I
yeah.
think this is hand paint. Yeah, this
Yeah,
is
this is hand painted
sparrows.
Yes. Sizes available 38 and 46 only.
46 only.
Cotton silk,
Yeah.
black color,
Black
contrast embroidery on
Coming
the
out so well.
on the neck, slight gota detailing on the sleeves, lining wala suit, cotton pants, and sequins cell dupatta. Self
Alright.
dupatta. Sizes available in this are 42, 44, and 46.
All right.
Again,
Then this
Muslin
is the
fabric.
muslin, semi-muslin
Leheria.
dress.
yeah,
In
leheria
Leheria pattern, Goda patti
patti
work, chiffon dupatta
Dupatta.
with laces, and
Yeah.
rayon pants.
Sizes available 38, 40, and 44.
All right.
Pure cotton A-line suit, anarkali with the collar and angrakha pattern.
pattern.
Yes. With tassels and all kantha stitch and border and slight sequins. Kantha stitch detailing on the sleeves also. And इसके साथ pure cotton की pants हैं and pure cotton का दुपट्टा है. Sizes पूरे available हैं 38 से 46 and Price is 999 only.
999 only. Okay, even these are being offered at
Yes,
999.
999 only. Yes. So
So, viewers,
please
what are you waiting
open up
for?
your eyes and wake up.
Broaden your horizons.
And yes, you need new wardrobe.
Yeah. Okay. If you
So
want to make new friends, you can make and give them.
dirt cheap prices.
All
Another
right, very
anarkali
nice, very
leheria
nice.
print,
Yeah,
embroidery on the neck, similar same fabric
coding work.
pants.
Yeah,
Yes, and bandhani dupatta
dupatta.
contrast with it. Yes, with
Yes.
all gota laces,
Mm-hmm.
scalping on the scalping border on the sleeves and on the घेरा also. Sizes इसके साथ जो available हैं वो हैं 36 and 38 only.
All right.
ठीक है, and price is again 999.
Hmm.
Here we go, bandhani print.
Beautiful dress.
Yes, so
Triple
very
line.
nice, 999. All zari work, angrakha pattern, tassels detailing,
Hmm.
cotton pants, full cotton dupatta.
Hmm.
Sizes available 38 and 40 only.
Okay.
999. Ajrak print, anarkali.
Mm-hmm.
Neck has embroidered border
Hmm.
and sleeves with slight embroidery and border.
Border.
Pure cotton pants, pure cotton dupatta.
Sizes.
38 only.
38 only. Okay. 999 only is the price.
999 only is the price.
Yes.
Anarkali,
Beautiful,
full anarkali.
Beautiful.
Yes. Angrakha pattern, heavy tassels and piping and with slight kantha stitch work. Sizes available 38, 40 and 44.
Hmm.
Printed. See, it's a
All
beautiful
right.
piece.
All
999 only.
All right.
Muslin,
Okay.
gathers on the waist, gota work on the neck, side
Tassels.
tassels and slits,
Hmm.
and it has pants. Muslin pants and full muslin dupatta.
Dupatta.
Sizes available in this are 38 to 46. 1000 only.
Okay.
999. Sorry.
999. And this is again a beautiful shade and beautiful
Yes.
print, of course. Blue.
Embroidered border on the neck.
Paisley motifs.
Paisley motifs.
Gota work
work on the sleeves.
Mm-hmm.
Cotton pants.
Mm-hmm.
Leheria print cotton pants.
Okay.
Full cotton dupatta. Leheria printed.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Sizes available only 40.
Only 40. All
Yeah.
right.
Angrakha pattern again, white and black combination.
Okay.
Side tassels, heavy tassels,
Mm-hmm.
and it has black pants
Mm-hmm.
and full black dupatta.
Full black dupatta.
Yeah, sizes available 38 and 44.
All right.
Another black piece.
Beautiful.
Yeah, it has all printed
Mm-hmm.
with slight sequence work.
Mm-hmm.
It has pintex on the neck with button detailing, plain black pants, dupatta of similar print.
Mm-hmm.
Sizes available are 40 and 42.
40 and
42.
Okay.
999 price.
Mm-hmm.
Again,
Yeah.
muslin, rayon,
Rayon.
premium rayon, yeah. Embroidery on the neck, chiffon dupatta, embroidered border on the sleeves and on the ghera, same pants. Sizes available 38 to 44.
All right.
999. Another color in this, tomato red. Sizes available in this 38 and 42 only.
All right.
999. So that blue color has another shade of leheria print. Sizes available in this are 36, 38, 42 and 44.
Okay.
999.
Okay.
Another black piece, angrakha pattern.
Mm-hmm.
Tassel detailing. Yeah, it opens up like this,
Hmm.
and it has printed
Beautiful.
pants
Beautiful.
and
Angrakha neck, and this is the
dupatta.
dupatta. All right.
Sizes available in this are 38 only.
38 only.
Another light
Powder blue.
powder blue, gota work on kalis, embroidered neck,
Mm-hmm.
pants printed,
Mm-hmm.
printed dupatta.
Mm-hmm.
Sizes available only 44.
Only 44. All right.
Now,
Now this is a very nice color,
piece.
very nice print, pure
Yeah,
pure
pure
cotton.
pure cotton, and it has anarkali, proper anarkali.
999 only is the
999
price.
only is the price. Black pants and printed, and this is the dupatta.
Mhm.
Sizes available 38, 40, and 46. Three sizes are available. You can see the work on this.
Katha stitching.
Kantha stitch, yes.
Good.
999.
All right.
Pure cotton again. Fabric is very soothing,
It's
and
mull
pant
cotton
is mull
actually.
cotton, yes.
So
All
laces, अंदर भी
laces
lining है.
and प्योर कॉटन का पैंट्स है, प्योर कॉटन का दुपट्टा है, साथ में 3 कलर्स में अवेलेबल है. साइजेस 40, 46. This also 40 and 38, 38, 40 and 44. Third color. Sizes available 42, 44 and 46. Mull cotton.
Mull
999 only.
Okay.
Premium rayon, heavy embroidery on the neck, side tassels, embroidered border on sleeves and on ghera. Same pants, 38 to 44 size available, chiffon with embroidery.
Okay.
999. Another color in this. Size is available 40 and 44 only.
All right.
Anarkali printed gota work. Sleeves also has same gota detailing and ghera also with border. Sizes available 38 to 44.
All right.
999 only.
999 only. So now we switch over to some more
Straight suits.
straight suits.
Now these are for 1199.
1199.
1199.
ठीक है.
1199.
So article number 1 is in rayon.
Premium rayon, all thread
Machine
work.
chikankari
Yes,
work.
thread work.
Even the bottom is in
Has
rayon.
detailing.
Yeah. I mean,
Oh.
comfort fit pants.
Yes, with the detailing on the sleeves and on the pants, chiffon dupatta with again similar border on the pallus. Sizes available in this 40, 42 and 44. 3 colors are available. Purple color, which is available only in 38.
Lilac color, yeah.
Yes.
Very nice.
Then there's
Yeah.
mustard green,
Mustard
again
green.
only available in 38. The pink one is available in 3 sizes, purple, lilac, and this mustard green is available in only 2 sizes, 38 only.
Chiffon dupatta.
Chiffon dupattas, yes.
Then comes this one, cotton.
Pure cotton, side pockets, Pintex work on the neck. It's a smart piece. 42 size only.
Slide
Cotton
cut.
pants, yes. And full cotton dupatta.
All right.
1199. Pure cotton. Very nice summery suit. With the neck has V-neck, which has kardana work with moti work and tassel detailing. Cotton printed pants and cotton printed dupatta. Sizes available are 38, 40 and 42. Another color in this, blue. Size is available in this 38 to 44.
All right.
Zari silk suit with subtle embroidery on the neck, kardana and sequence work, and cotton silk sleeves, and dupatta is also cotton silk with embroidery.
All right.
Sizes available in this are 38 and 44 only.
All right.
1199
is the price. Now this is the linen cotton suit, very beautiful.
All digital
pastel
print.
chart.
Yes.
Okay.
With Swarovski on highlighting, and it has beading concept. Lace on the sleeves. Chiffon dupatta. Sizes available 40 only.
40 only, no?
Yep.
All right.
Muslin silk, cotton silk kind of a fabric. Heavy embroidery, kardana, thread work, sequence, motifs, and organza dupatta with embroidery. And sizes available in this are 40, 42 and 44. 40. This one, accidentally it's here. This is for 999.
999.
Yeah,
Okay.
it came in this lot, but
Okay.
it is for 999.
Again, rayon,
Muslin.
muslin.
Muslin with slight
Yes.
with
Cotton muslin. Yes.
cotton muslin with
Cut dana work on
cut
the
the
neckline.
neckline and sequence work and side highlighting of foil
Bota.
printing, and then there's same fabric pants. Then
Okay, this is foil printing.
muslin,
I'm
yeah,
sorry, that
yeah,
was not Bota.
foil
On
printing.
the body part.
Yeah, and this is the dupatta muslin cotton muslin dupatta. Sizes available 38, 42, and 44.
Okay, now the neckline has moti work also.
Also,
huh?
yes,
Moti
pearl,
and cut dana.
cut dana.
ठीक है.
This is slightly party wear kind of a suit, silk, has neck has pura pita work and false mirror detailing.
This
Plazo,
is Chanderi.
Chanderi silk
Okay,
type.
this is Chanderi
Yeah,
and semi Chanderi, and this has
Plazo
Chanderi pants as well.
Yep.
Semi Chanderi pants, and this has been paired by Chanderi dupatta.
Dupatta as well.
Semi Chanderi dupatta.
Sizes available in this are 38 and 46.
Deep maroon.
Deep maroon, same fabric Chanderi
Yeah,
with
semi-party wear.
heavy. Yeah. And it has pants, plazo pants again. Lining wale hai sir,
Yeah,
ye sare.
again butter crepe
aur iske
lining,
saath
and this is the dupatta.
Banarsi dupatta with this. Sizes available in this 38 and 42.
All right.
And we have black color in this. Banarsi. Sizes available 38, 44, and 46. Pure cotton. Thread work on the yoke with false mirror detailing. Pure cotton pants with it, and pure cotton dupatta.
Price is 1199.
Yes. Sizes available in this 40 and 42. 38, 40, and 42.
ठीक है.
Another color in this. Sizes available 38 and 40.
ठीक है.
Heavy embroidery on the neck, on booties all over, organza dupatta, embroidery on the pants, on the sleeves. Sizes available 38 to 44.
All right.
1199. Muslin Pakistani concept, lace work with organza border and with all sequence work on the neck, and it has pants, muslin pants, and it has soft organza dupatta, soft organza dupatta.
Yeah, it's glass organza basically.
Yeah, 38 is the only size which is available in this. There's another color in this. This is a beautiful color.
Yeah, this is nice color.
Sizes available in this are 38,
Fabric is muslin, semi
same,
muslin.
same. 38 only.
All right.
Again, Pakistani concept.
Now this is a very nice fabric. This is
Muslin fabric only. And
muslin silk actually.
pants.
Pants, and it has cotton lining inside.
Yeah, and it
Beautiful
has
party wear dress,
stole dupatta with lace detailing. Very nice lace
Even
detailing.
the dupatta is in muslin.
Muslin, yes. 38 and 42. Two
And
sizes.
Bottoms are in Afghani fits.
Fitting, yeah.
Afghani fits.
So, salwar. 38 and
brown
42.
Okay.
1199.
1199 is the price.
Embroidery on the neck. And booties all over. Pants with lining. And full organza embroidered dupatta. Sizes available in this are 38, 40, and 42. Another color, red. Very nice party wear suit. Sizes available 38 to 44. And so price like we said before,
Yeah.
1199.
1199.
I showed another color in this, maroon color before, Chanderi. And the sizes in this are 38 to 46. No, sorry, 40 to 46. 40 to 40. It's a very nice
Semi-Chanderi
subtle
fabric,
piece,
yeah,
yes. Subtle
This is a
piece.
formal dress,
Formal
actually.
dress, yes, very much.
This is
Cotton silk,
Dola silk.
yeah.
Soft Dola silk
Silk.
weavers.
Full heavy embroidery on the neck and booties with lining suit with pants, shantoon pants. And it comes with
This kind of dupatta.
Banarsi
Jacquard.
dupatta. Yeah. Sizes available in this are 40, 42, 44. 3 sizes.
All right.
Cotton muslin. Very subtle embroidery on the neck and on this ghera with lace work. Sleeves also have similar embroidered border with lace work. and it has
This kind of
pants.
pants,
Yeah,
yeah.
and it has muslin
Dupatta.
stole dupatta. Sizes available in this are 40 and 44.
All right.
Black, all self embroidery with sequins highlighting, heavy border on the ghera, and slight border on the sleeves. Colorful embroidery with potli buttons concept, and again bandhani dupatta with it. Sizes available in this are,
This is stitched all over.
yeah, sizes available in this are 38 and 42 only.
Jaipuri special Mothra print.
Yes,
And
this
kind
is
of Gota detailing.
Georgette.
Yeah, this is Georgette.
This is Georgette.
Fox Georgette.
Georgette, yeah. And it has all Gota detailing. Lining wala suit hai. Shantoon pants hai. Chiffon dupatta with Gota detailing all over. Sizes available in this are 38 and 40 only.
All right.
Cotton silk, organza patchwork, similar dupatta organza, same color pants. Sizes available in this are 38, 40 and 42.
All right.
There's another color in this.
Rose.
Yeah, and the sizes available in this are 38 and 40 only. And price 1199.
Yeah, 1199. And cotton
Cotton
once
silk,
again,
yeah.
And organza dupatta.
But heavy embroidery on the neck, printed premium rayon pants, and premium rayon dupatta. Sizes available 38 to 44. 1199 is the price.
All right.
Again, muslin, Gota detailing, V-neck, and very soft fabric. False
It's
mirror
pure
detail.
muslin. It's
Yeah,
pure muslin with mull cotton lining.
and it has pure mirrors also.
No, these are false mirrors.
Sorry, false mirror. I thought.
And chiffon dupatta.
Chiffon
with fabric
dupatta.
taping on all the four
Yes,
sides. And
yes.
Gota detailing on the neckline.
40, 44, and 46 are the sizes.
And we have one more
Another
beautiful
colour.
color that
Beautiful
is mustard yellow.
Mustard yellow. Sizes available 40 to 46.
Pure muslin.
Pure muslin. Yes.
All right, so that was all at Sahir Enterprises brand Sahirish in the sale episode. So please, if you like these articles and if you have your size, please buy them. Okay, and thank you so much.
It's a
for watching
pleasure,
this video with
always.
patience. Thank you so much, Deepti ji, for getting this mega sale episode for our viewers.
Yes.
Thank you so much, viewers, once again.
Thank
With
you.
this sweet note, we wind up. We will catch up with you very soon. Till then, goodbye and happy shopping.
Thank you.